Previously on Boosted Apex.
I told you guys I'd do it.
You got like a straight shot.
Tell me this doesn't look like a bunch of professionals made it, not a bunch of hillbillies.
Yeah.
Holy crap, it fits.
Oh yeah. That's awesome.
Good morning, guys. Picking up where we left off last time on the hood stack project on the ZR2. Gonna get some driving video and some more exhaust notes, if you will. So we're gonna start that off and start this video off with a cold start because I left the truck out last night specifically for this moment, because who doesn't want to see a cold start on a hood stack Colorado? It's the only one out there, and it is cold. Poor LB7 just sitting there getting neglected. My God, it's so loud. It's pretty crazy noise though. As you can see, I have the GoPro set up on there. We're gonna drive around and get some good footage and sound clips for you guys before ultimately the hood stack comes back off. Because you guys should have known this wasn't a permanent thing. Granted, it's not too hard to put on, so not to say that it won't return, but I'll probably have it back on at some point. But it's really just for fun and just because I told you guys I would, because you guys crushed the like challenge, so I had to do it. And for those hating on the welds and the fabrication, it was temporary. You know, this isn't a permanent thing. Obviously, if it was a permanent thing, I would probably have a professional get stainless steel mandrel bends, you know, not do ply cuts, maybe do ply cuts, I guess, and have it all TIG welded really, really nicely. This is just me and my buddy throwing it together in the garage for fun. So don't hate on our fab skills just yet. Plus, it's galvanized steel. Like, you guys know, that doesn't weld nice. All right, we're just gonna let this thing warm up a little bit. Woohoo! Go drive around and get you guys some exterior footage, some interior footage, all that good stuff. All right, fellas, so we're just doing some cruising now, and it's not that loud. It's not. I'm going 40 miles an hour, and can you really hear it now? If I get on it, definitely start to hear it. If I get on it hard, well, then you really hear it. Stand by for that. Might sound like I'm going fast, but I'm not. It's pretty loud and obnoxious, but like I said, when I'm just cruising, aka right now I'm on the throttle, just cruising at 40. Nothing. It's really not bad. And there's like no drone because there's no exhaust running underneath the truck. Everything's in front of the truck, so it's actually not as bad as I thought it would be. Of course, is it still too loud for daily driving? Well, I guess it depends on your taste. Me, this is my truck that I have to drive every day. Here, just get up. Just a regular acceleration right here. It's really not bad. I can talk over it, I can listen to the radio. It's really not bad at all. It's still too loud for me because this is my daily. If this was some kind of race truck, which who would make a Colorado a race truck. But if that were the case, it wouldn't be bad. Or if you didn't have to drive it every day, you had another vehicle, you had this, you had that. It really would not be bad at all. It's much more tolerable than I thought it would be. And this is the only truck I've ever been in that has a hood stack. So I don't know what other, I know a lot of Cummins guys run hood stacks. I got a friend of mine, we're gonna do a hood stack on his Cummins. And I don't know how loud that's gonna be. I really don't. I don't know if that'll be bearable. That's gonna be, I mean, obviously it's gonna sound a lot different than this truck. But is it gonna be louder? Is it gonna be tolerable? Can you do it on the highway? I don't know. That's what we're gonna find out. I'm gonna get some exterior footage for you guys, but it is freaking freezing cold. Doing something just a little bit different today that I've never done. I'm gonna try to get some rolling shots of the truck with the hood stack. Now, I've never done any kind of rolling shot before, so this would be interesting. Also, we only have 2 people. We really should have 3 for rolling shots. So I'm gonna try to drive my friend's manual Chevy Cruze while taking pictures of my truck rolling while he's driving it. And then we'll swap and see if that works out. Unsure what the results will be, but we'll see. Also gonna get some video of it driving on the highway with the stack and just kind of see what it looks and sounds like, because I don't really know. Stay tuned.
That was money, baby. That sucker's loud, dude.
What'd you guys think of the flybys, the drive-bys? You'll have to let me know in the comments what you think overall. I think it's just pretty much a love it or hate it kind of thing, kind of like the muffler delete video was. It's my assumption, at least. I'm very curious to watch the footage on my own, especially the GoPro. I moved it around a couple times on the hood and windshield just to try to get different points of view and different sounds. It's gonna be mostly wind, I'm sure of that, but I'm hoping at low speeds the GoPro is gonna get some really good sound quality because it's like literally right next to the stack. So I think it's gonna sound pretty cool, at least interesting. So let me know what you guys think down below. Let me drive back home and then we'll wrap up this video. Well, boys, that's gonna wrap up hood stack video number 2. There's gonna be more, don't worry. I read your comments and there's a lot of people that wanted to see a tractor flap. So we might just have to do that. We'll see. I have some more stuff to do with the hood stack though. Gotta do some off-roading. That's what I'm hoping to do. That being said, stick around for the next video featuring the ZR2 and the hood stack. We have some other mods going in. They're actually laying out in front of you. I'm not gonna show them to you yet, but I am gonna install them tonight. Always stuff happening with this truck. Got the LS1 E36 over there buried under Colorado parts, and then there's just parts and parts and parts. You guys are killing it with the last video with the hood stack. It's going to be my best viewed video yet, so thank you for that. Thanks for the likes and the comments. It really means a lot. It helps promote the channel. So, and in turn, YouTube kind of pushes it out there more so more you guys can see it. So I appreciate it. With that being said, guys, we'll see you in the next video. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous, and I love it all at the same time.